We're trying to explore the barriers that seniors face when going online. And the idea is that we want to find the strategies that they are already using to overcome these barriers. So it's a day of sharing experiences and knowledge about these barriers.
An event like today is very, very important in giving an opportunity for seniors to articulate what issues they have, what fears they've got, and particularly with technology.
I never learned, like 25 years ago, I never learned computer, I never learned anything.
For seniors, it relates to being nervous about using technology. With scenarios like this and doing this class today, it breaks that barrier down.
We talk to seniors and we do what we call co-design work. And it's co-design because they help us understand the issues that are happening with them. And we use different techniques like persona enrichment and also scenario mapping to help the seniors understand what kind of issues they might face and to find the strategies that they might use to overcome these issues.
First we have a presentation which is explain what we have to do today, and then we are separating the groups and we did some activity, like a group activity. We share ideas about how much we know about the technology, and we created person like who is gonna be doing some more activity and less activity with the technology of these days.
I really didn't know what they were going to talk about, but the scenarios that they brought up were very good. So it was related to seniors at different ages and different age groups. So we used an 84-year-old, a 75-year-old and a 68-year-old, all different scenarios, and all scenarios that I could relate to with members from my club. The other good thing, it was networking with people from all these other groups that showed me that we all relate to the same problems.
This third workshop complements the other two workshops by providing a different perspective on what we are doing. So while the other two workshops was more focused on seniors and their needs, here it's about the people that are working with seniors and how they can use the information that we have gathered to change the way that they are working.
So today and the previous series of workshops has been a really fantastic opportunity to not only explore the process of co-design, which involves people drawing on their lived experiences, drawing on their understandings of others, but to also really bring in some really nice insights in terms of not only the seniors but also the organisations that they work with, and bringing them together and helping them to realise the differences between each other and also the things they can learn from each other. And we provided a really great bridging point in terms of the stuff that we've done here in the workshop and also the tools and the insights that we're bringing out of it.
And this is all really quite helpful in really being able to empower facilitators and equip people who are struggling with ICT to really have the strategies to be able to overcome some of the challenges that they face.
It's actually provided an opportunity to explore deeper rather than just the personas that we were initially looking at. And what we've understood is there is a group of people that might have some struggles with technology, but their digital literacy is at a point where they can reach out and feel confident to reach out to find solutions. But there's also another vulnerable group that are being left behind, and they're not even in a position to be able to reach out to take that first step with connecting with improving digital literacy.
I was very impressed, and particularly if I focused on the summary at the end, to have the 25 to 30 people around a table all able to express what they got out of the program and also feel comfortable to make suggestions as to what now could help them, and to see representatives of different seniors groups meeting together and having that open discussion was fantastic.
People were engaged, they were contributing with ideas, they could link what we are doing with what they are planning to do in their daily activities. So overall, it was very nice to see the excitement in their voices and the light bulb that come up when they see the connection.